If you want your gaming PC to stand out with a unique PC case and all-black design, but you are still looking for performance capabilities of a top-tier rig, then the build for today is for you. To ensure that this PC is seriously quick for gaming, I installed the best processor, the Intel i9-14900k, by far the best value gaming chip you can have for a PC in 2024. Sticking with our black standout theme, I clapped on a black BA360 liquid cooler with digital display. And now I can unbox the Space Station PC case. We get a nice performance boost from that, of course. And it really makes this a top-notch looking rig. And this black GameWord RTX 4070 Ti is the finishing touch for this PC, matching the style and making this rig perfect for 1440p gaming.